Have you ever searched for Selenium tutorials on YouTube? You start watching one playlist, after a few videos, something doesn't make sense, so you stop. Then you start another playlist, learn a few concepts, and again you move to something else. Before you know it, you have watched Selenium tutorials from multiple places, but you still don't have a clear understanding of what to learn, in what order, and how everything connects together. And maybe you have learned some Selenium, but when someone asks you a Selenium question in an interview, you struggle to explain the concepts confidently. If any of this sounds familiar, this course is exactly for you. So, why do so many beginners struggle with Selenium? The answer is actually very simple. It's not because Selenium is difficult, the problem is learning Selenium without following a proper roadmap. You learn one topic here, another topic somewhere else, you start writing some code here, but somewhere along the way the fundamentals get skipped. And when the foundation isn't clear, advanced concepts naturally become more difficult. That's exactly what we are going to avoid in this course. We are going to learn Selenium in a structured way, one concept at a time. Hello everyone and welcome to SDET Simplified. I'm really excited to have you here. Whether you are a complete beginner, a manual tester planning to move into automation testing, a student trying to build automation skills, or someone preparing for Selenium interviews, this course is designed for you. My goal with SDET Simplified is simple. I want to make automation testing concepts easy to understand, practical to implement, and useful in real projects and interviews. So we are not going to learn Selenium just for the sake of completing another course. We are going to understand why things work, how they work, and where we actually use them. So we are going to learn. So what are we going to learn? We are going to start from the fundamentals. We will first understand what is Selenium, then we will understand Selenium architecture and how Selenium actually communicates with the browser. After that, we will set up Selenium with Python and start writing our automation scripts. Then we will gradually move into topics like Locator, XPath, CSS selector, WebDriver commands, weights and synchronization, drop down, alerts, frames, multiple browser windows, mouse and keyboard action, JavaScript executor, and many other important Selenium concepts. But we are not going to stop here. Once the Selenium fundamentals are strong, we will move towards test automation framework concepts. We will work with Pytest, organize our tests properly, understand page object model, work with test data, logging, reporting, and many other concepts required to build maintainable automation frameworks. And throughout the journey, we will work with practical examples so you can understand how these concepts are used in real automation projects. How we will learn this? The learning approach throughout this course is going to be very simple. First, we understand the concept, then we see how it works. After that, we implement it practically. And whenever applicable, we will discuss real world scenarios, common mistakes, and important interview points. I don't want you to simply copy code from the script. I want you to understand why we are writing this code, because once you understand the concept, writing the code becomes much easier. And one thing I strongly recommend, don't just watch the videos, open your laptop, write the code yourself, make mistakes, debug those mistakes, and try to example on your own. And try the examples on your own. That's where the actual learning happens. Watching Selenium will help you understand it, but writing Selenium code yourself will help you learn it. Also, one important thing, I have created a special shorts playlist dedicated to Selenium interview questions. For every topic we learn, you will find short interview questions that will help you prepare step by step. So, after completing a topic, don't forget to check the related interview shorts. You can use them for quick revision, and at the same time, you will understand the kind of questions you may face in Selenium interviews. So, throughout this course, we will be learning Selenium, practicing Selenium, and preparing for interviews at the same time. And before we start, I want you to remember one thing: you don't need to learn everything in one day. You don't need to finish Selenium in one weekend. What matters is consistency. Learn one concept, understand it properly, practice it, and then move to the next one. If you follow the roadmap, practice regularly, and stay consistent, by the end of this series, you will have a strong foundation in Selenium automation and a much better understanding of how automation is used in real projects. So don't rush. Follow the series in order, practice along with me, and let's build your automation skills step by step. If you are ready to start this journey with me, subscribe to SDET Simplified and turn on notifications so you don't miss the upcoming lessons. And if you are joining this series, leave a comment and tell me whether you are completely new to Selenium or you already have some automation experience. It will be great to know who is learning along with us. And with that, we are ready to begin. In the next lesson, we are going to start with foundation of this entire course. What is Selenium? We will understand exactly what Selenium is and what it is used for, how it helps us in automation testing, and why it has become one of the most widely used tools for web automation. So I will see you in the next lesson. Let's start our Selenium with Python journey. Thank you for watching and welcome to SDET Simplified.